Hello everybody, I got another Breville 870XL, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to replace this dual wall cup. I believe I have one in stock, and there's a couple of things I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start with replacing the pump. As you can see, brand new pump, never been used. All the cups are here, and I'm going to replace brand new brew group seal and this cup. This cup is completely blocked, so we have to replace it. It's very common on those machines. I'm going to start by opening the back side, and we'll go from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, now I have to complete the repair till tomorrow, and I also got another machine today. We'll see what's going on there. So now I'm gonna remove this cup. Sometimes those cups, they come out so easy, sometimes they give hard time, like for example like this time. So okay, now it came out, and there is a Phillips screwdriver, or sorry, Phillips screw in there, and that you have to remove as well. You need a Phillips screwdriver. That's a long one, you can use a shorter one. Then next thing what we have to do, we have to prime this side like so. Boom, it will come out. So now what we have to do is replacing a few components here. We're gonna start with, first of all, I'm gonna take a look and make sure everything looks good, and yeah, there's no problems here. We're gonna start with disassembling the pump. In order to take off the pump, there's 2 connections. If you're not sure where they go, take a picture just to be on the safe side, and I'll come back in a second. The way I do it, I take a flathead screwdriver and I kind of put it in here and just stop like this. That's what works for me the best, but you can do it as you wish. The next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this insulation here like so and remove the safety fuse right there, so it's out of my way. Then I'm going to remove the bottom hose in here. Flathead screwdriver would help. Okay, it's out. Okay. Now I'm gonna start to disassemble the water pump. Go. It's gonna come out right away. Perfect. Now this pump. Perfect. Now this pump will go back in. This is the new pump. Okay. We don't need this cup. And then this will go back in. Just gonna swivel it so it will sit in place. Okay, I think it's in. I'm just gonna make sure it's all locked tight. Perfect. And this is all in. This hose will go at the bottom there. Yellow wire on the left hand side and the blue one on the right hand side. So the pump is installed. Now I'm going to test it to make sure it works properly before I put all the screws back. So I'm gonna connect it to the power, fill the tank, and then I'll come back. Okay, water in, and now I'm gonna turn it on and make sure the water is going all the way from the tank through the pump, to the boiler, and to here. Okay, now let's test. Perfect. So the water is going through the brew group, which is awesome. The water is coming down on the tank. Water is hot. We can stop. So this side is all good. We can put all the screws back. The pump tested good. I'm also gonna check for any leaks. There is no leaks, as you can see, so we can put this nice back together. Okay, now it's all back together. I'm going to put all the screws back inside. We will start with this guy right here. All in. Perfect. Now we put the cup back in and then put all the other screws back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna put 2 last ones at the bottom. One and 2. In order to take the brew group seal, the first thing what you have to do is to make sure there's no water in here and there. So you see, because it's gonna leak a little bit. So the next thing what you want to do, you want to remove this brew group seal. I don't know if you can see, but you kind of have to, there's a couple ways to do it. You can remove this shower head. I will try to do it without removing it, but I might have to remove it, so I'll come back in a second. Alright, so it's all washed up now, as you can see. Now I'm gonna put this back in and lock it in place like so. Strange, but it should be locked. Okay, and now this is the old dual wall cup and this is the new one, and I'm gonna put this one back in. Boom. And now, oh yeah, now it's locked really good, and I'm going to test it one more time with power, and you'll see the way it works. I think there is some coffee as well here. So let's just make a dual shot just for fun. That should be enough. And now let's temp and let's see. Actually they have to do a descale, but I'll do it for them, that's fine. Voila! And this machine is all fixed up. I had to replace those components in order to make it work as it should. The espresso pressure is perfect, lots of crema, it's all good to go. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care, bye bye.